Now I will show you how you can add skills in your LinkedIn profile. You already add some skills, and now I will show you how you can add more skills in your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn allow you to list up to 50 skills on your LinkedIn profile. Choose skills that are relevant to your industry and reflect your expertise. Your connection can endorse skill and adding credibility to your profile. And now I want to show you how you can add skill. Simply you just need to click on add profile section, and after this you just need to click on core, and from here you can just click on add skills, and from here you just need to write here the skills according to your requirement. For example, I'm just writing here the social media marketing, and here you just need to select here skill related to affiliate manager at Kiklo or affiliate manager at Shopinzer. So from here you just need to select the company. For example, I am just selecting here the affiliate manager at Kiklo and Shopinzer. This skill related to both companies, and then you just need to click on save. And same like this you can add more skills. You just need to click on, for example, I am just writing here the digital marketing, and from here you can write skill according to your requirement. And I am just selecting here the affiliate manager Shopinzer, this skill related to, and after this you just need to click on save. And if you want to add more skill, you just need to click on add more skills. And now I want to show the skills, and now you can see that. And if you want to add more, from here you can also add more skills, and now you can see that. And if you want to change skill, you just need to click on pencil, and now you can see that. And here you can reorder the skills according to your requirement, and now you can see that. And now you can reorder your skills according to your requirement. For example, you want marketing will be on a top, affiliate management will be on a third number, and affiliate marketing and sale marketing will be a fourth number. And now same like this you can arrange the settings of your skills. And if you want to add more things, you just need to click on add, and from here you can add more skills. And some skills are industrial level, some skills are your personal level, interpersonal level, so you can check here according to your requirement.